So we have discussed about installation of R and RStudio. I hope you have understood it through the video. Now we are moving to next point. So this is the screenshot of R tool. So how it shows or how it looks like. So it is shown here. So you will also get similar kind of GUI, and this is the GUI or RStudio screen. Okay, so as a printout you have to paste or print these two screenshots. Then we are moving to next point, that is R command prompt. So as you know that DOS prompt is giving you a location where you can type different commands. Similarly, R is also providing you a prompt where you can write the commands or instructions or your statements, okay, to execute a particular task. So once you have R environment set up, then it's easy to start your R command prompt by just typing the following command at your command prompt. So this will launch R interpreter and you will get a prompt with the greater than sign where you can start typing your program as follows. So here this is the first statement. So usually whenever you are learning new language, you are saying hello world to the world. So similarly here, if you want to say hello world through the R language, then it's very simple as compared to C, C++ or Java languages which you learnt earlier. So here just write the hello world in the quotes and you assign this to MyString, which is one of the data type. So here again you can observe, as compared to earlier studied language, you have not declared any variable named as MyString. You are directly assigning value to this MyString variable. Okay, so it is automatically taking the input in a suitable format and assigning it to a variable MyString. Now there is one command which is written print MyString. So whatever is stored in MyString, what is stored, hello world, will be printed. So when you will run this, that means you will just enter the key, press the enter key after this closing bracket, you will get the output. So here also when you pressed the enter key, you got the output, but since you have not printed anything, what had happened, the prompt has given to you. That means the hello world string is stored in MyString, right? Now since you have asked to print it, the output is printed with this way, that is 1, which is written in square bracket and then hello world. Okay, so here first statement defines a string variable MyString where we assign a string hello world, and then next statement is print is being used to print the value stored in variable MyString. I hope this is very simple as compared to earlier studied language. Now R script file, usually you will do your programming by writing a programming script files. Then you execute those scripts at your command prompt with the help of R interpreter called R script. So let's start with the writing following code in a text file called test.r as under. So here again, just like in which language, in C, if you want to give the comment, what you use double slash or slash star slash. So in our language, if you want to give the comment, then you have to use hash. Okay, so this is my first program in R programming, and then hello world is assigned to MyString and print. Now here in earlier case you was giving command by command on the prompt, but here you are writing total 2 lines at once in the file, and now you are directly giving these 2 lines together for execution. Okay, you want to exit both the lines. So save the above code in a file test.r and execute it at the Linux command prompt as given below, or in your this command prompt. When even if you are using Windows or other systems, syntax will remain same. So here our script test.r, and when we run this, okay, so when we run the above program, it produces the following result: hello world. Now comments are like helping text in your R program, and they are ignored by interpreter while executing your actual program. As usual, it happens in other programming language as well. Single comment is written hash in the beginning of the statement as follows. R does not support multi-line comments, but you can perform a trick which is something as follows. So if false, and then you are writing like this, so here it will act as the comment. So I hope these are the simple commands. That means which commands you have learnt in this assignment, just how to comment, and second is say the hello world to the print statement. So once you do this, what is a post lab? So students will be able to execute various R commands on RTool and RStudio for their applications. So thus the R programming tool is installed and exercise basic syntax, data type, variables, operator, vector list, matrices, data frames, vectors, various types of graphs, taking suitable example. Now here we have only learned simple hello world program. Okay. Now later things we will learn. Here why we have written like this, since we got a prompt, we can execute all these things on that prompt. So I hope you have understood it. We'll try one example. So I have already opened here the R tool. So this is a R console. Now we will try same thing. So it was my string which is assigned to hello world. Okay, now see I am entering. Anything has happened? Nothing has happened, but internally something has happened. Internally what happened? Hello world string is assigned to a variable, string variable my string, where you have not nominated or you have declared my string as a string variable. So by default it will take it as string variable. Now we are printing, so print and my string. Okay, now see it is printing the hello world. Is it that simple? I hope you have understood it. Now second thing, if you want to write a same line of code, because otherwise we need to repeat it again and again, type it again and again. So again if you will write my string is assigned to hello world. Okay, and now you are trying to print it. Okay, right, now just save this file, save as test.r. Okay, now you want to execute this. So how to execute it? Just come here and Control A. Okay, so what I have done? I have done Control A and Control R. So with Control A what happened? It is pasted, and with Control R it has executed. So I hope you have understood simple way how to execute commands on the command prompt or with the help of the file. Okay, so you just install R and try these commands. Thank you.